Hello, it's Rob, Cambridge Motor Centre. This is a 66 plate Mercedes Sprinter wheelchair accessible van. It's a driver transfer system, which are becoming really rare and harder to get hold of. We're putting the video on a little bit early. This vehicle is still in prep for a couple of bits, which we'll show you as we go around. Bodywork wise, it is going to be as you see it. The body shop that we use aren't able to fit it into their booth, so we've reduced the price to accommodate the bodywork condition. Obviously really low mileage, under 18,000 miles. So let's have a look around and we'll show you everything on it. So it's been converted by TBC, who do a lot of these. As I say, it does have quite a few dings on the bodywork, if we're being honest. It does have these aftermarket wing mirrors fitted as well. That seems to be playing up with the parking sensors, so for that reason we are selling it without parking sensors. Although they are fitted, they're just not functional at the moment. Again, as it's just arrived with us, we are waiting on a replacement fob to allow us to use the automatic rear doors and ramp. But once we've got that, which would be supplied, these doors are fully electronic and the lift is fully electronic as well. So full independence with this vehicle. Again, a few more scrapes. Quite common given the size of the vehicle. It usually is the case that these size vehicles do have a few dings around them. So what would happen is you would come in on the lift. Now these two seats do fold up out the way as well, or the bases do at least, so you can have those out the way and a bit more space around you. Full curtains in this one all the way around for complete privacy, so the previous owner clearly invested in those. We've got a wheelchair dock there, so whether or not you use it, it's up to you. Depending how you plan to travel, you might dock onto there. And then this seat, the driver's seat, comes all the way back using the buttons that are on the side there. It would come back to here and you would transfer from your chair into the driver's seat, and then using those, swivel round, and then you can drive as normal. There is a dual control, so your passenger has an emergency brake if needed. That can be easily removed as well. As I say, we don't hide anything, we show you everything, but that is reflected in the price of the vehicle. Now coming round, it's got a push button start, so it's all done on the button, making it a little bit easier for you. And then we've got a push pull accelerator and brake and indicator on the top there. Switch it off, just hold down the ignition button, that turns it all off, and you've got confirmation of the mileage there at 17,861. So there you have that one. If you'd like any more information on this or to discuss it a bit further, feel free to give me a call.